Hey, hey.
And do your job. Berg is the name. Ben Baller did the check. Was only 8 years old, watching Nick at night. Uncle Psycho was in that bathroom. You and me. And do your job. Berg is the name. Ben Baller did the check.
What I said, I'm sitting with this love hangover. Boy, it's hurting my head. It's the middle of October.
So, I would say I'm not going to talk in my videos anymore after this, but I got a big ass mouth and it is what it is. Today I'm going to do a no foundation makeup shandies on my face because why not? Primer. Maybelline. Not putting too much on my cheeks because not much product is going there, so picking out all the areas that I'm gonna put some product on. So today, I decided that, not today, like yesterday, I was like, I've watched so many reviews on Kim Kardashian's new nude lipsticks, and I was like, damn, like these look so nice. Like my favorite YouTubers are going crazy. So I was like, damn, okay, like I want, and the colors are great. So I was like, yeah, I want some of that, you know. And then I went into her website and I realized that one, they're sold out, but that's okay because I just subscribed and they're gonna like tell me when more will be available. So that's whatever. But she doesn't deliver to South Africa. Like, I don't know, I'm only finding out now because I guess I was never really interested in her products until these lipsticks. But I'm like, girl, honey,
What the hell?
but it's whatever. Like, you know, I'll make a plan. Something will happen because I need those lipsticks. I need some concealer because that's what we gonna use today. And I want a nice, like, dewy, glowy look. So I want a nice concealer that's gonna make me look all dewy. I'm saying. So I'm not gonna use my black opal because that's very matte. So I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. But first, let me actually use this first. I'm gonna use my Smashbox concealer first because it's also nice and dewy, and I just haven't used it in forever. Where is my stuff? Why am I like this? On the real. Guys, you know what? I'm tired of myself. I know it is. My MAC Studio Fix powder as a mirror. Yes. Did this concealer get wiped off? I don't know where it is, but it got wiped off by something. Tense. I'm gonna hate myself later when I discover what it was. Now I'm using this one first because I want to cover up my dark circles. And I want that LA Girl one to highlight my under eyes because they're very dark. So I'm using this, which is darker than the LA Girl one, under my eyes. Yo, I have three exams left. I should be more stressed out, but I think I'm at a point where I'm so stressed, I'm not even stressed. You know what I mean? Like, uni is just a lot. I didn't read my beauty blender. I'm back. School is just a hack, and I don't want to talk about it much because... So, I don't know if this is like a get ready with me because I'm going to town. I'm not doing anything exciting. because it's exams, first of all. And I just want to go home. I just want to go home. That's it. My birthday is next month, and I just want to like get ready for that, you know? Not get ready for Grahamstown town and like buying stuff like milk. Blended, sort of, I think. I hope. Whatever. Next, this is the color Pure Beige. I'm gonna put that everywhere. I just put the previous one. Are you kidding me? Is some sort of karma? What is this? And the reason I wanted to like stop talking in my videos is because I know my voice is so barf worthy and it gets boring, like it gets tiresome. Like this is how I talk to myself in my head. I don't think I've actually talked to people. I don't think I actually talk to people like this in real life. I hope I don't. Wow, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Yes, under eyes and my forehead. I don't really like doing my forehead because it's dark. And I only do like this area, so it kind of like reverse contours. You know what I'm saying? Cool. This is very impromptu, so let's just see what I want to do next. Who knows? Setting powder. And I'm not even going to bake or whatever. I won't even bake really. So I'm going to take this brush, tap it off because it's more than we need. And dab. Press it into under eye so it doesn't crease. There, so it doesn't crease. Do the same on the other side. Ooh, that's more than I needed. But it's okay. And dust it off. Because I'm icy, wifey. Haters want to fight me. Henna, 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 henna. Let me put this down. I'm still holding this. Ooh, it's in my nose. Yay. I'm going to use this next MAC Studio Fix Plus powder. Using the same brush I used to set my face. I'm going to add color to my face because, I mean, it looks good, but you want some dimensions, but not too much. So, bring back the color. I don't really feel like editing that much. And I think that's also why I don't like talking too much, because I need to edit all the parts where I don't speak so it's not like boring and stuff. And like, yeah, whereas if I'm just like not talking, literally I just add music, cut out, like make the video shorter, and then magic. For my nose, I use this for my nose. This powder, by the way, is in the color NC45, and it's darker than me, which is great for contouring. for like a nice light contour. Like I don't want something too hectic, you know, especially for this look, because I'm really not doing a lot for this look. Yo, don't expect too much. Like, lower your expectations, please. You're gonna be disappointed. I do like my nose to be snatched. Okay. If I could find my brow stuff, that would be so amazing. Found it. This is my Make Me Brow by Essence. And dark brown. And I use this like, I used to use this every day. At some point, I was using this every day. It looks ugly, but it's okay. I don't care. Ugh. I'm just gonna get straight into highlighting. I'm gonna highlight using this. And where the sun hits, just do some shandies in that area. Yes, yes. For my nose, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow brush. Maybe I highlight my thingy too much, my nose, but I don't care. It looked good. Cupid's bow. Yes. Setting spray. This is by Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. I don't need to shake it this much. No. What am I doing next? I'm putting on mascara. I like it. I like it a lot. You don't see a difference, but I do. And that's all that matters. My lips are so chappy. Ew, look. I'm gonna use some lip gloss. I use the same lip gloss every day. I don't even care. This is my favorite lip gloss. I know at some point like lip gloss went out of fashion, like glossy lips went out of fashion. And I was just like, not me, hunty. Because glossy lips look good, plus your lips stay moisturized. Whereas matte lipstick just dries out your lips even more. As if I don't already like hate dry lips. I must make my lips more dry. Like, yeah, I wore matte lipstick, but I would take it off within a few hours and put on some lip gloss. So yeah, that is it. No foundation, still looking clean, hunty, glow, dewy. Even though it's like cold and stuff, I still got that glow. Like, yeah, still cute and whatever. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Okay, please like and subscribe. But like, if you don't want to, like, it's okay. It's okay, because you know, consent. But please, I would appreciate it if you did. Bye.